Hi guys, welcome back. I'm going to try and get this one a bit sorted. I didn't do it according to the plan, simply because I didn't read it properly anyway. So this is going to go in there, as you can see, but it's not going to fit in. So I'm just going to take a little bit off this side here, fit that in between there. Okay, so because this is quite large to fit in there, I'm happy to put the new different ones in here, so these. And the way I've done it, and I've showed it before, is I got one, sorry, the other way around, 2 dots and 3 dots. So the first one goes in first, number 1 will go in first, and then you just turn it round, put the others in. Now this one has, these have numbers in them. I don't know if you can see that. That is number 1 actually. There. Number 1. So that one will go into there, and so on and so forth. It is hooked on. So you just put them one by one and it just catches. So we're going to take a little bit off here, see what we can do. So guys, I think I went faster this time and it's smoother, so maybe that's the key, to go a bit more faster. Than I went to about 900 revs, so we'll try again. Oh yes guys, yes, that's a very smooth finish there. I like it. Now I got a secret now, go faster. Now I went at 950 revs there. That is a beautiful smooth finish. So guys, when I made this, remember I didn't know what size holes to make? Well, now I know it's going to go into here, so I'll build a hole for it to, with this shaft here. And now I'm going to drill and tap this, and I've got a M3 rub screw, so I'm going to just drill and tap this off the camera so that can fit onto there. And obviously it's this adjustment, then I'm going to adjust it to how it could do. So guys, looking at this as it is, this is how it will go. It's not, nothing's fixed at the moment, but this will spin around here to turn that. Okay, so the reason I haven't drilled a hole, because I haven't followed the plans, but I'm thinking where to drill the holes here now and where to put this. Basically, this piece has to go there, and obviously it's going to be connected to this, so I have to make sure that it's in the right position like that, and also far enough that way to make sure that this doesn't touch this end here. At the same time, you're going to put this so it lifts the bar up and down here, for this to go up and down. So that's what I've figured out now. So I'm just figuring this out now guys. So I'll drill a hole somewhere there like that, and fix this first, and then we'll see how it goes from there. And if I fix this side first, everything working this side, then we can work on this side. So guys, this is what it looks like so far. I haven't tightened it totally, so I've got that in there now. I had to put M4 in there because the other one wasn't good. And this is what it will do. I'm going to tighten that up, tighten this up, and then we'll just see this spinning round. See what happens there. I gotta try and sort this out here. Sort this out here like this. So when that's working, we know we've got somewhere. So that's it, guys. That's all I can do for today. I've put that in there. I've just wedged that in there, and I've got the grub screw tightened, got this one tightened. So this is what it will look like in theory. That's what it will do. So see how that goes. Obviously I'm going to cut that off later, but I just want to see what I can do to get it going. It's a bit stiff here. I'll put a washer in there. I might take the washer out, to be honest with you. And they'll be, yeah, take the washer out, it's a bit stiff, but that's what it'll do. So next thing is to put something through that and link it to this. And this side should be finished.